Hey everybody, this is BT Stu, Master Trader and Course Creator over at the Premier Forex League. Well, you're here today because you want to know what is Forex. Well, in the simplest terms, the Forex market allows two currencies to trade against each other. You can profit by predicting one's currency's value higher or lower versus another currency. When traveling to another country, you usually have to exchange the money in your wallet into that particular country's currency to buy things. When you find an exchange booth, you will see screens displaying exchange rates for its currency and others. When you trade your currency for theirs, you have virtually traded within the Forex market and now participated in the exchange of currency. Or in Forex terms, assuming you're an American visiting the UK, you sold dollars and bought the Great Britain pound. This foreign exchange market, the Forex market, also known as FX, is the world's largest financial market. The foreign exchange market is a global, decentralized market where the world's currencies change hands. Exchange rates vary by the second, so the market is in continuous fluctuation. Forex traders, also known as currency speculators, buy currencies hoping that they will be able to sell them at a higher price in the future. Compare it to the measly $22.4 billion per day traded on Wall Street at the New York Stock Exchange. The Forex market looks gigantic with its $6.6 trillion a day trade volume. Yes, trillion. It blows every other market out of the water. Since I mentioned water, let's put this into perspective using whales. The largest stock market globally, the New York Stock Exchange, trades at a volume of around 22.4 billion each day of the week. If we used a whale to represent the New York Stock Exchange, it would look like this. This whale looks very intimidating. Seems like he's big and pretty tough, and I'd be pretty afraid of him if I met him in the ocean. Well, CNBC, MSNBC, Bloomberg, Fox Business all talk about it every day. I'm sure you hear about it in your gym, your coffee shop, and work a few times a day. The market is up today, so on and so on. Well, when people talk about the market, they're referring to the New York Stock Exchange. So the New York Stock Exchange sounds huge, as if it's its entire country or a world all on its own. But if you compare the New York Stock Exchange to the Forex market, it would look a little like this. Ooh, man, that NYSE looks pretty puny compared to the Forex market. I don't think it'd stand a chance. Kind of makes you wonder if the S in NYSE stands for stock or scrawny. Well, all joking aside, I want you to check out this graph of the average daily trading volume for the Forex market compared to other markets. As you can see, the New York Stock Exchange trades at around 28 billion. The equities market is around 191 billion, and then the futures market is over 400 billion, but nothing compares to the 6.6 trillion traded through the Forex market each and every day. The currency market is over 200 times bigger. That is huge and unbelievable that much money is traded through one market each day. Aside from its size, the market almost never closes. It's virtually open around the clock. The FX market is available to trade 24 hours a day and 5.5 days a week, only closing down Friday around 5 p.m. New York time. So unlike the stock markets, the Forex market does not close at the end of each business day. Instead, the trading moves to different financial centers around the world. Forex is truly a global market. The day starts when traders wake up in Auckland, Wellington, then move to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, and finally New York, before trading starts all over again in Wellington. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on what is Forex. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to receive our upcoming Forex tutorials, plus some Forex tips and tricks. Also, feel free to comment below and I will try to answer any questions. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.